Today's first look, we have a 1969 Pontiac Trans Am Ram Air 3. This is lot number 1037.1. I'm Craig Jackson and welcome to today's first look. I'm in our studio here. Behind me is a comprehensively restored 1969 Pontiac Trans Am. This is one of only 697 Trans Ams that were produced in 1969. It is powered by its original L74 400 cubic inch, 345 horsepower Ram Air 3 engine, mated to its 4-speed manual transmission with the 10-bolt 3.55 gear ratio safety track rear end. It is finished with cameo white, the blue stripes that come up all the way over the top of the car, all the way back down. Then the tail light panel is solid blue. You have the spoiler on the back, says Trans Am on it. A lot of things you can tell when you first look at the car that make it a Trans Am package on the car. Rally 2 wheels, tinted glass, and this 1969 Firebird Trans Am is selling at no reserve at our Scottsdale 2024 auction, January 20th through the 28th. Check it out.